Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to add buy one get one free option inside of Shopify. After watching this video, you will be able to add this simple widget right here inside of your Shopify product page in order to give the buy one get one free option to your customers. Like always, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Now first step is to log in inside of your Shopify dashboard and go to the apps section. From there, you're going to be clicking on apps and sales channel settings. And then you're going to head over to Shopify App Store. Then you're going to be searching for the app which is called Catching Bundles. You will see an option like this, select it, and you will be taken into the Catching Bundles product page. From there you have to click on the install button and install it. Since I've already installed it, I can just click on the open button and the bundles product page will open up. From here I can start creating my buy one get one free option. Now since I already have a bundle created here, I'm going to just go ahead and delete it. And then I'm going to click on create bundle deal. From here we have a multitude of options that we can select, but since I want to add specifically the buy one get one free deal, I'm going to be choosing this option. Now I can name my bundle, so I'm just going to name this buy one get one free. Now we need to go and select which product that we are going to be providing this feature on. So let's scroll down and we're going to get into the volume discount bundle with other products option. So we're going to come here and we're going to select selected products. And whichever product that you want to add this feature to, you're going to select it. So I want to add this feature to this particular product right here. I'm going to select it. And now this feature will be added to this product. Now let's go down, and if you want to make any changes to this particular tabs, then you can actually come down and you will be able to find these bars right here. If you want to change the wording of this, if you want to change exactly how much it is saying in the badge here, or if you want to change the prices and all, you can come here and click on this. And from here you will be able to edit. Now let's say if I buy one product, I want to give two products in return, then I can put this here. And it is going to change whenever we're going to be saving. So and we can change the title as well. We can change the style of the bar maybe. So all these things are here. Okay, let's say I'm fine with whatever changes that I've made here. I can just scroll down and then I can click on publish, and now it will show that the changes have been published. And if I want to see a preview of this, then I can click on the preview button, and as you can see, the buy one get one free option has been added right here. So this was a quick tutorial on how to add buy one get one free onto your Shopify website. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to the channel, turning on your bell notifications and giving this video a giant thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.